Hello students, today we will talk about the geography class 7 chapter 2nd. This is the third part. In this video we will learn about the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Okay. Now, what is the greenhouse effect? What are the causes of greenhouse effect? And what are how are it is essential, how are it is important, we will discuss. Now, what is the reason of greenhouse effect? Actually, carbon dioxide has a special characteristic that it can trap the heat. Actually, it is a heavier gas, so it traps the sun heat. Okay. Now, terrestrial radiation is reflected. Terrestrial radiation is reflected towards the earth due to carbon dioxide and clouds. Due to carbon dioxide and clouds. That's why heat can't escape in the atmosphere. That's why it can't escape in the atmosphere. So you can think, when the temperature of the earth not go in the atmosphere, then what will happen? The total heat trapped on the earth's surface, this causes warm the earth's surface, this causes more heating of the earth's surface. Okay. Now, how it is essential? Actually, in the colder region, it is experiment, it is done due to the growth of the baby plant, due to the growth of baby plant, the germination of baby plant, but too much of increase in the earth's temperature of the earth's surface is very dangerous for us. Okay, this is called the greenhouse effect. If you ask a question, what do you mean by greenhouse effect? Then you can write, greenhouse effect is a process in which the earth radiation not escape in the atmosphere, terrestrial radiation not escape in the earth atmosphere. That's why the temperature of the earth increases. This process, this effect is known as greenhouse effect. Okay. Now, it is a very essential for ours because it maintains the daylight temperature. When it not happened, when greenhouse effect will not happen, the temperature difference between the day and night will be very high. So we can't survive there. So it is very essential for our survival. Next one is, what is global warming? This is a very important topic. Global warming. Global warming is nothing. It is a greenhouse effect. When the temperature of the earth's surface, means globally in the whole world, the temperature increases, gradually rise up due to the greenhouse effect worldwide. This is known as global warming. Global warming causes many effects, many problems. You can say it will. I will teach you in the next topic. Before it, what are the causes of greenhouse effect? What are the main reasons which causes the greenhouse effect? First of all, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting off trees blindly. We are destroying the forest, we are cutting the forest for our requirement, for building roads, for building houses, for income purpose, everything. So you know, plant is a only living things that can observe the carbon dioxide, that can use the carbon dioxide. Plant take the carbon dioxide for their photosynthesis. So no other and no other living beings that can take the carbon dioxide. Plant decrease the level of the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. But we are cutting the tree, we are destroying the forest. So it is a very main cause of the greenhouse effect. Next, overpopulation. Due to the overpopulation, there are many causes, like we are uh, producing pollution, emitting carbon dioxide from the vehicles, etc. Third one is the industrialization. Due to the industrialization, industries produce garbages, pollutants, many gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. So it is also a cause of greenhouse effect. Next one is natural agents. Natural agents like volcanoes. You have learned it about in the previous classes. That it is in volcanoes, the smoke and dust and everything comes out from the earth surface. This causes also a global warming. Human activities like mining, it also produces pollution. It causes pollution, so it is also a cause of greenhouse effect. Next topic is the effect of global warming. What is the effect of global warming? When the temperature rises, what will happen? First of all, the too much increase in the temperature, it causes melting of the ice and of the poles and the mountains. This causes the rise in the water level of the seas, rise in the decreasing in the glacier size glacier decreases, islands are going underwater. These are the causes. Okay. Now, climate and rainfall pattern may change. Climate and rainfall pattern may change. Climate is going to change. Rainfall pattern is going to change. So, many places are having long spell of drought or short storms and flood unexpected time. मीन्स जिस समय रेनफॉल होना चाहिए उस समय रेनफॉल नहीं हो रहा है, जिस समय टेम्परेचर हाई होना चाहिए उस समय नहीं हो रहा है, जिस समय कोल्ड होना चाहिए उसमें कोल्ड नहीं हो रहा है. दीज आर द सीजनल चेंजेस, द रेनफॉल पैटर्न चेंजेस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज rising temperature may change the seasonal behavior of plants and animals. It means at the time of blooming the flowers, it not bloom. It bloom before the season. The rainfall occur before the season. These are the example. Animals chicks may not have enough to eat. Then some animals are shifting their homes to cooler region because the North Pole has becoming warm before the time. So are the many causes. Okay. Next topic is the ozone depletion. Ozone depletion. We'll talk about it in the next video.